I come in here, Jesse's cooking it up. Dude, you got the whole station here.
This is our smash burger tool.
Damn. Ooh. Yeah, I knew something was up when I walked in here. It smelled like Gordon Ramsay was in the building. Jesse, what gave you the idea to do a cookout?
I was actually about to get out of work and I was kind of hungry. I ain't eaten all day. I thought to myself, you know, it'd be pretty cool to make some burgers at the garage. Piston smash burgers from Rev Rain. We better patent that. Piston smash burgers.
You cleaned the piston beforehand, right?
Look. Carcinogen, maybe. Taste, big. All that matters.
There's no way you fit that in your mouth. Look at how tall that thing is. I want to see this.
There ain't no way I'm fitting that in my mouth.
All that in your mouth, you're a disappointment.
It's got an extra bun in it.
You're a disappointment if you don't put it all. You gotta open
You didn't finish yours.
It's because I already eat.
He ate two.
Would you like me to throw up on you?
Nevin ate two.
I will.
Happily.
Time to have a burger.
All right, let's see if we can.
Congratulations.
Woo!
Oh yeah, I was mad.
Do it for the vlog.
Give me it.
Let me see that hand.
Not my glasses, I just watched them. You want to reset that, bitches?
Braden just loading up.
I've never done this before.
You ready for war?
We're getting there. Ah.
Gotta be some way to get in this thing.
Well, you gonna start it and drive away? Stop resisting!
Damn, look at those hairy ass legs,
Leave
my boy.
my legs alone.
Jeez.
Well, show me your legs.
Those hairy ass legs.
Yeah, really.
I want to see those hairy ass legs. Come on.
I would pull mine up, but my hands are nasty.
Damn, we all got hairy ass legs.
I would pull mine up, but they're nasty.
We're going from eating burgers to leg hair in the same video. Nevin, tell you what, we should go around town making burgers in the back of this K truck. Get like an inverter or something.
Dude, you're brilliant.
Yeah. Let's do it.
We sell.
Then we give everyone food poisoning and we get sued.
E. coli for everyone.
His patented piston smash burgers.
E. coli on Rev Rain.
I throw the bullets.
I have a gun. If you really, man.
That looks crazy. On camera, that looks wild. It's like a potion. Oh my god. Whoa, what? Whoa.
Damn.
That's so cool.
Must be static. There's that much static in there. Some of them are like floating.
We've created levitation.
Damn, dude.
Live on the Rev Rain channel.
That's a little yucky.
I feel like if I board it out, I might be able to restore it. Nasty, nasty.
Haven't sent out. Pissed in smashed burgers. I better see a label on that cheese. That's cheese.